Hell, I just got in my casters for my desk. I had another desk that you could roll around, made it so much easier. That didn't have those casters on that desk would not fit this desk, so I had to order some new ones. We're gonna check them out and get them put on here and see how well they work. Haven't seen them yet. Kind of nice little color of the wheel here. The other ones were black. These are red. It has the brakes on them. Seems a little stiff, but they're brand new right out of the box. Looks like they're gonna grip good. These are a 3-inch wheel and 8M bolt right here. So they should fit in the bottom of this desk. Let's lower this thing down, flip it over, and get them put on there, and see how well they work. So stick around. What I like about this electric desk is I can raise it up and down. Makes it a lot easier to work with here. Hopefully these fit and we're not wasting each other's time here. I'm the headless wheel installer. My face is not what's important, it's whether these fit. Oh, look at that. Well, it's going in there. Is that gonna fit? Oh yeah, that'll be a little long. Comes with a little wrench right here. Get that tightened on down. We use the right size, I guess. 15 and 15, and neither one of those fit that. So a little wrench right here. I don't really know what good they would be, because it does not. Oh, there's 2 wrenches. Okay, hold on. Okay, this one fits. There we go. Just kind of curious. I've seen these little parts here, but honestly never used them. I guess they're to go in here in case you don't have any. Or if you need to make a different size one, maybe. Is that the way that works? You gotta leave me a comment down in the description, or down in the comment section, and tell me how that works. That'll go in there. I guess these come out. I don't know. And if it went all the way through, then you got the nuts right here and washers. You know, if you needed to put it all the way through. Which these would actually go all the way through. They have a long enough stem on them to reach the other side. But it's flat on their side, so we're just going to tighten it up as much as we can get it. Not like it's major. And you can use these on toolboxes, other furniture. I guess you could put them on a bed if you'd like. Might be a rocking and a rolling, but you know, whatever. If we can lift this up just a little with that. Works for me. There we go. Improvise. I moved this desk from the living room to the kitchen, to the dining room, into the office. So having wheels on it is pretty imperative. Mobility. I'll get the other 2 on there and then we'll check it out. One thing I didn't mention a while ago, these do have the ball bearings up in here, and they're polyurethane wheels. You know, I don't know. I know years ago, skateboards had this type of material for the wheels. You can get them in like PVC and in plastic, but I thought these might be good. That's why I got these, is because of the wheel. I wanted a 3-inch wheel because I've got a little bit of bumps to go over. If you have some little bumps, it's not too bad, but if you got some bigger bumps, you want a bigger wheel. I didn't get them because they're orange or red. Got them because of the bearings, the size, and for the fact that they would fit my desk. And they had some good ratings on the Amazon product page. Now, speaking of the Amazon product page, I'm going to put a link down in the description of this video where you can go check them out and order you some if you need some. I'm going to save these just in case. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. Alrighty, let's flip it back up and see if it'll roll. We'll roll with it. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's nice. We wanted to lock those things down. You just flip those little handles over, and it's locked. Of course, they'll turn that way, but they won't roll this way. Works good for me. Works perfect for me. No complaints whatsoever. Be able to roll this thing around now. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.